How to check iPhone serial number on Apple website. So in order for us to get this done, let's go ahead and open our settings. So I'm just going to click this one right here, and then we're going to look for the general option. So I'm going to click that, and then here at the top you should be able to see here about. I want you to go ahead and click that to open it. Now you should be able to see here your serial number. What I want you to do is just try to long press it in order for you to see the copy option. Just go ahead and click the copy button, and then we can go ahead and close this one, head over to Safari, and here I want you to go ahead and type Apple serial number in order for you to be able to check your device's coverage. Now go ahead and click this one right here. Alright, and then no need for you to sign in. I just want you to go ahead and type your serial number here. Just paste it, and then down below I want you to go ahead and try to copy the code here at the top in order to confirm that you are a human. After doing so, just go ahead and submit this one. And there you go, there is my device right here, and you should be able to see that I have my coverage right here. It has been expired, but yeah, basically that is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.